People want customizable colored lights in their car's interior, right? Many top car makers seem to think so. Nissan, Ford, GM, Porsche, and others offer ambient lighting settings that can be adjusted to the customer's desire. There are many products available to best car LED lights, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. Everyone buys this product in the current market. You can also buy for other benefits. Everyone likes my product reviews. I hope you like it too. Please subscribe to my channel and check the description box. Number 1. Govee Car LED Lights, Smart Interior Car Lights. Creative D Mode. Choose from 16 million available colors or customize car LED light effects to your liking in D Mode via Govee Home app. Make your car stand out in unique style with creative freedom. Dynamic Music Mode. Built-in mic helps interior car lights sync with any music type. Liven up your road trips, weekend getaways or evening commute with colors that dance vibrantly to your favorite songs. Smart App Control. Manage the colors and brightness of car LED lights or choose music mode by one simple tap with Govee Home app. Enjoy a comfortable and vibrant driving experience with convenient control. Number 2. Interior Car Lights Keepsmile Car Accessories Car LED Lights. D Modes. Car LED lights has 16 million colors, or custom the colors, and adjust the brightness through the Smart App's color palette. Let you easily create your own car atmosphere. Perfect for decorating cars for Halloween and Christmas. Scenario Modes. LED Lights for Car has 28 dynamic modes for you to choose, or customize the parameters of LED strip lights, automatic, flash, jump, fade in and out, brightness adjustment, speed adjustment. Please feel free to use your imagination. Dynamic Music Sync. The lights of LED car light will change in sync with the rhythm of the song or music. Let the lights dance with your music and enhance your driving pleasure. Number 3. Govee Smart Car LED Strip Lights. Rainbow Lighting Effects. Govee LED Lights for Car with RGBIC segmented color control allows for multicolor car light displays, showing more than one color at a time, bringing a new level of personalized lighting decor to your car. 4 Music Modes. Get the party started with dynamic music modes that use the built-in mic to sync lighting effects to the beat and sounds. Liven up your road trips or evening commute with RGBIC car lights that dance energetically to your favorite songs. 30 Scene Modes. With an array of preset scene modes, Govee Interior Car Lights help you always drive in lighting that fits your style and mood. Discover scenes based on. Number 4. Fahren Interior Car Lights. 2 lines design and long enough. The LED lights adopt the latest 2 lines design for car. The installation process is easy and simple. Just need to pass through the B pillar and stick it in a clean place. In addition, each line with 3.28 feet plus 5.58 feet long wires connecting 2 strip lights is long enough to fit various car models. 3 Control Methods. The car LED lights with various operation options and different functional mode experiences. 34 modes for your choice. You can manage to switch color, brightness, different music modes, timing function, microphone modes. The D mode will be more interesting. Number 5. 2 PCS Car LED Lights Interior. The car lights are installed by magnets. No need to install. Wireless touch control use. USB charging does not need to be disassembled. When in use, 7 colors can be changed by touch. Car interior light. Auxiliary lighting increases the atmosphere. Can be used as auxiliary lighting, atmosphere light. You can switch 7 colors by touching the center of the wireless car light. See through the light through the translucent cover, not dazzling. Built-in 6 high brightness LED lamp beads. Touch once to change the color. Long press for 3 seconds to turn off the light.